Hello, and I think you don't know what $1, a penny, how much and how many. Well, you will explore what they are today. And today I will make a claw for you and I will teach you how to make one. So let's start the video. I'm Aissa, so let's start it. Money is the term for coins and pills that people use to buy things such as pizza. Well, I like a pizza so much. It's so good, isn't it? Well, don't you like it? Well, it's good for me. Pencils, planes, and chains, and shoes. And shoes are the ones that you wear. Used coins are middle, small, and round, while bills are made of purple cut rectangles with famous foreign crowns. Common coins are pennies, nickels, dimmies, and quints too. Have you heard what nickels, pennies, dimmers, and quilters are? Well, I didn't know what they are first, but now I know what they are because I learned from this book. And you know how much it's worth. They call this lesson thoughts. Pennies are one worth one chain, and a nickel are 5 worth. It takes 10 to make a dim, a quarter 25. Whoa, 25 is a big number. $1 worth of coins can look a lot of different ways. Let's go inside this dollar store and see how many cards can pay. Jenny bought 4 quarters while 10 came. Her brother Anna paid 10,000 taken from her mother, and her mother gave her the coins, and she went to the shop to buy something with them. Zach hands over 7 dimes, 1 quarter, plus 5 pennies. And all these come prove to be the same as Jenny's. Paper money doesn't look or feel like coins at all, but it can still pay for things, however large or small. Common bills include the 20, 10, and 5, and 1 with special inks, more green and black with prime. Then the $10 are a lot. $20 can pay a $20 book. And do you like books? Well, I'm reading a book right now. I'm reading it right now to you, and you're extracting new things. But there are any ways to pay with different bills. Just look. For $5 bills would work, to 10 would do it too. As 20 is what pay the function that just named the few. Money is not magical. It doesn't grow on trees, but you can get it. If you do like some work, you can get it. If you wash the car, you can get some money. Or if you work at the shop, you can get money too. But you can get more money if you work at the shop than the washing. It's something you can save or lend or spend what you please. And she bought an ice cream. In back are stacks of money. Factors, do you have to thank when you take your notes to class or at the bank? So what is money? Do you know? Well, I know. Money is what you give and you pay. You pay money and you can drink food and eat water. And now I want to show you how to make a claw. So first you need a paper and you need to fold it like this. I just need to fold it here. You fold it, just make sure it's straight. You just need it like this, a good one. And now you need to fold this part, it goes here. You just do it like this, and now you fold it. It needs to look like this, and now you fold one of them like this, and the other part the same. You just do it, and then it needs to look like this right now, and now you can fold it. You fold it this way, like this. And you just fold this part, and now it's good. And now you just need to fold this part a little bit, like this. And now you open it like this. And it should look like this. You have a folding part here. And now, maybe it's a little bit hard, but yeah. You fold it like this, and it's like a claw. You just put it one more time for it, here like this. And now you fold this like this, and you fold it, and you put this. You open it there, and you open the hole, and then you put it like this. You do it, and now you open this part like this, and now it's a claw. Look at my claw. Do you like it? Well, if you like it, then like. Bye bye.